Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be looking at the safety and emergency settings for your Samsung device. Now of course it should be standard across all devices, especially if you're updated. And of course with information being critical to your care and your phone is always with you, it could be the difference between life and death, especially in an emergency situation where you need to give access to medical information that can be stored on your phone for your own personal safety if you so choose to fill it out. All right, to find the settings, you're going to go ahead and go to settings. Once you're in settings, guys, it should be in the main options. If you scroll down just a bit, roughly around the midsection of the settings menu, you should see safety and emergency. So go ahead and tap safety and emergency, and you should see the option right here. Now, of course, you can go ahead and fill out medical information, emergency contact. You can have the SOS feature, emergency wireless alerts, location services, silent notifications while driving, and you have emergency mode. But the two key ones here is the emergency contact and of course the medical info. We'll be focusing on the medical info. Seeing that one is very important. So go ahead and tap on medical info and you'll see medical responders others can have access to the info when your phone is locked. So of course this information will be made available even from your device screen. So just in case of an emergency, the medical responders can see your information and can pertain or obtain certain information, especially as you might be unconscious and unable to give the information. It could be the difference between life and death. So go ahead and hit edit, and this is the standard form. And of course, let's go through it very quickly. And it says medical conditions, and you'll enter any medical conditions here. It could be something like you have been being allergic to peanuts, for example, or of course maybe there's a specific medication which you're allergic to. You'd want to put it there. So enter any medical conditions you may have. More specifically, it could be something like you have diabetes, asthma, you name it. Place your medical conditions there, or so on for the first field. So go ahead and list out all your medical conditions, asthma, whatever it may be. That's a diagnosed medical condition. Next, your allergies. Are you allergic to peanuts? Are you allergic to shellfish? Go ahead and mention those, as that's a very important information. Your current medication. Are you on any current medication? Enter any medication here so the EMTs can decide whether or not if you're needed of medicine. They can know if you'll have a reaction based on what you're taking. Enter your blood type here. You should know this just in case you need blood or transfusion. This one is very important, so enter your blood type. Next, other. If there's anything that is of note or any emergency information that you normally give your doctors, place it here. And of course, these are general information that's not too super personal. That's something you can give out. So of course, it should show up on your on the screen of your phone. So it's very important that you fill these out, as it can be the difference between life and death. So go ahead and fill those out and hit save. Once you save, it should appear here. And of course, you can also have your emergency contact as additional one. And of course, your medical contact would be your next of kin. So whoever is the person that in case of emergency, it will be on your phone. And of course, they can also get to the hospital or so on to aid you. All right, so those are the two key ones there. So make sure that you fill out the safety and emergency information in the device. Just want to point that out. All right, so Ricardo got it from Blog Tech Tips. Same bye until next time. Bye.